guys, it's Brenly. I'm here today to walk you through how to rhinestone a costume. So I have this really cute Elise by Double Platinum two-piece costume. Here's the bottom, and here is the top. And I have everything laid out for me ready to go to start my rhinestoning. So I'm going to use E6000 glue. This is available on Discount Dance, and it is the best glue. It makes sure that everything stays on really nicely and it's not going to fall off. So we also have our 2 bags of rhinestones, and we sell Rhinestones Unlimited rhinestones by the gross, so you can pick whatever colors that you want in different sizes. These are the 16s, which are a little bit smaller, but you can alternate and use different sizes to have a different look on your costume. We also have the pick and stick, which is a really great tool for rhinestoning. Basically, it has a little bit of wax on the bottom, so you can pick up the rhinestones, and then on the other side, you can use it to grab the glue and place it where you want to go. So when I'm planning on what I want to rhinestone on my costumes, I first take a good look at the costume and I look at the seams. So I look where there's a seam here, I look at the seams down there, and I try to match my pattern to the seams. I'm also going to take a look at the fabric itself. So anytime you have a center, if you had a lace applique, if you had a floral, in this case we have squares, I would want to put a rhinestone right in the center so it really pops on stage. So my plan to do is that I'm going to do a little bit of an up and down, like a zigzag motion with my rhinestones on the top of the collar, and also I'm going to match it on the top of the waistband. When you do the zigzag motion, it makes it look like you have a lot more rhinestones in a little bit of space. So instead of covering the whole entire top with rhinestones, it's going to give you the look that you have rhinestones off the entire top of it without having to use that many rhinestones. I'm also going to do a scattered on the sleeve and then do the scattered through the middle and on the different sides of the squares. so much for watching our tutorial on how to rhinestone costumes. We'd love to see the pictures of your embellished DDS costumes, so DM us any pictures of your creations.